Good morning. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2020, and here is what you're going to be doing. So first, how are you feeling? Here's your to-do list. For math, you are going to watch videos and then set a timer for 10 minutes, see how much you can get done. And then, of course, the exit ticket. Yes, we are on lesson 20. So you need to be on lesson 21 in Zearn. That means you're done with lessons 1 through 20 and you're on 21. Okay, join us at 10:30 to watch Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, you'll join us via Zoom, and we'll probably have to have you rejoin the meeting again, so that we can finish the movie today. So here is the Zoom information. Copy and paste that into a new browser and the meeting ID, and then @stars is your passcode. All right, take a break. Language, you're going to learn about England and Australia. Don't forget to do your worksheets if you have them with you. If not, you'll get them tomorrow at school. Okay, and then it's our spelling pretest. There will be a video here with the spelling words. Do your best. I believe in you. Here are our spelling words. Don't cheat. Okay, then I want you to do Imagine Learning for 20 minutes. Go to Clever. It logs you in, it will log you off after 20 minutes. So that's how you know you've done it for 20 minutes. Today's special is music. So here is a music video for you. And then that's it. You're done. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.